The most intriguing mysteries are within our universe, and each new galactic finding aids experts in creating an ever more reliable image of our galaxy. The 10 most recent outer space discoveries that we would like to share with you in today's video have also greatly advanced our understanding of the cosmos. We hope you enjoy our galactic journey, and if you enjoy our videos, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Simply Space, and look forward to the videos that lie ahead. Water on the Moon. When we talk about a lunar landscape on Earth, we mean a desolate, dust-dry place where there is no water. However, recent research demonstrates that this adage about our Earth and Moon is actually incorrect. In fact, a team of astronomers recently made a discovery that is equivalent to a real sensation. For a long time, scientists have now been able to detect distinct signals of water molecules on our natural satellite after conducting extremely complex investigations that led experts to believe that water could exist on the Earth's constant galactic companion. The method, which used special wavelengths for research, revealed that in the southern latitudes of our satellite, tiny water molecules hide between the dust grains on the surface. In detail, the water is present in a frozen state where it is well protected from adverse external conditions in some of the Moon's craters. NASA declared that it will shortly be sending a rover to the Moon to examine the found water deposits in further detail. The related craters where water has been detected are known as cold traps, where the surface temperature drops to 240 degrees below zero. This project is meant to serve as a precursor to the Artemis mission, which will eventually send humans to the Moon once more in 2024. As we are all likely aware, our planet is a part of a superordinate planetary system, and one of the fundamental features of this network is that all of the planets in our solar system follow a fixed orbit. However, some researchers have recently found a celestial body that is very different from the rotation scheme we are familiar with. It is a planet that has strikingly similar dimensions to our Earth. The intriguing aspect of the galactic discovery is that, up until now, scientists believed it was impossible for such a tiny object to float across the Milky Way without a fixed star. The planet appears to drift through space absolutely freely. These celestial bodies are referred to as rogue planets, and it is probable that they were formerly separated from their parent system or were never connected to an external star. To date, only one noticeably larger rogue planet has been found. The notion might be supported by the finding of the Earth-sized object that the Milky Way is home to billions of tiny rogue planets. What occurs in a black hole's core? The substance of other galactic celestial bodies is known to be gradually absorbed by black holes, which are commonly regarded as the most enormous things in the universe. However, what precisely occurs at a black hole's core? The general consensus among researchers is that matter sucked into a black hole is compressed into an unthinkably small object, and that the gravitational pull within a black hole is so strong that the curvature of spacetime there diverges quasi towards infinity. However, what happens in a location where the laws of space and time are completely reversed? To date, experts can only speculate on this question. On the one hand, it is possible that the corresponding mass is reduced to a minimum, and on the other hand, so-called dark energy may exist in black holes, which theoretically can penetrate the boundaries of spacetime. The term 16 Psyche describes a remarkable celestial body situated in a far-off asteroid belt between the planets Jupiter and Mars. At its center, it is a massive,